Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add superscript and subscript on any number or alphabet for free in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here we're not gonna use any third-party software, so we'll be using the inbuilt software that comes preloaded with every Windows operating system. So firstly, just move your cursor to the start, and in the start just search for one application name as WordPad. So you can see here a software name as WordPad which comes preloaded with every Windows computer. So just open this software. So you can see here there's a reference of this software named as WordPad. So just let me increase the size so that you can see it clearly. Say I type one alphabet, right? Say A. So I want to add a superscript that is on the upper side. So you can see here option superscript. As you can see here, a symbol, and just near to it is a subscript. That means if you want to write any number or alphabet just below the number or alphabet, then you can use this symbol. So let us add a superscript here. So I'll just select this option superscript, and now if I type any number, say like 1, so you can see 2, 3, if I can continue, if you keep selecting it. So if you just want A1, A to the power 1, or whatever you want to call is superscript 1, and if you want to put a 2 just below it, then you can just select this subscript and just type 2. So you can type like that, or you can do one thing. If you want to add more superscript just along with it, like 1, again 12, you want to add a 12, then just select the superscript and just type 2. And now if you want to add a normal, like if you want to type like a mathematical terms, then just unselect it again and just say like plus some formulas like B. Now you want to add a superscript again, just select this superscript option and just type and just unselect it again, and you can add how much numbers or patterns you want to add. So let us do with us subscript, right? So to add a subscript, just select this option as you can see on the upside, just select it and just type, say whatever you want to type, say 3, 2, and just unselect it and just type any plus, minus, or whatever mathematical terms you want to type. Say we'll do the same thing, and once again select this subscript and just type and unselect it if you want to type a regular symbol or numbers. So this is how you can add superscript and subscript on any number or alphabet for free in Windows computer. So if you never known about this inbuilt free WordPad software that comes preloaded with every Windows computer, then definitely you should try it out, and it will gonna help you in creating many Word documents or the text document files in your Windows computer absolutely for free. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.